We're about to replace the front rotors on this baby. We're gonna do both sides. Let's get the old rotor, the new rotor. To be honest, I don't really see much of a difference between the old and the new, but I'm getting a lot of screeching and grinding. So I wanted to note a few things that I did that I didn't show. So when taking it off, I removed this bolt right here, and let's see, and this bolt, where's that? And this bolt right here, and then that allows me to take this whole piece off, and then allows me to get to the rotor, so I can take that off and replace it with a new one. Of course, this is the new one that's on here already. And then to make it easier to put this back on when putting these bolts back in, what I did was I put these in here to kind of straighten this rotor. Don't mind the dirty wheel, but now the job is complete. New rotors, and then I'll take it for a little test drive just to make sure everything is all good. But yep, that's it.